Hello, my dear friends here. Welcome to this new lesson. Today we learn speaking skill. The topic is very important. We learn English without translation. This lesson will help your fluency. Many learners translate words. They change words in the mind. This slows down speaking speed. The mind becomes heavy inside. Speech stops and feels blocked. This makes speaking feel hard. We need a new thinking way. We need direct English thinking. This is natural language learning. This is how children learn. Children never translate words. They learn through daily hearing. They hear words many times. They connect words to meaning. They speak with simple sounds. They repeat without pressure. We can follow that method too. Repetition builds strong memory. First step is listening daily. Listen to simple English audio. Choose slow and clear speakers. Do not listen to hard audio. Your brain needs slow input. Slow practice helps your focus. Daily listening builds patterns. Your mind learns sound shapes. Your mouth follows those shapes. Fluency grows day by day. This is natural and smooth. Sound becomes familiar slowly. Second step is easy talking. Use very small daily lines. Do not force big sentences. Simple speech is the best. Small steps become big later. Comfort helps speaking grow. Here are easy daily lines. I wake up in the morning. I wash my face with water. I eat my breakfast slowly. I go outside for work. These lines are daily habit lines. These lines are very simple. They train your speaking mind. Your brain feels comfortable. Comfort builds strong fluency. Fluency grows from small words. Small words create natural flow. Third step is no translation. Do not think word by word. Do not search meaning inside. Let English flow naturally out. Let speech come without fear. Speaking becomes faster this way. Your mind learns to react quickly. This makes speaking feel natural. Think directly in English now. Connect English with real life. Look at objects and say words. See a book and think book. See water and think water. Link language with real actions. This builds strong word memory. English becomes part of daily life. This builds pure language links. Your mind becomes faster soon. You stop thinking too much. Your words come automatically. This is fluent speaking skill. Your speech becomes smooth naturally. Your confidence grows with use. Your voice becomes more relaxed. Fourth step is self-talk daily. Talk to yourself about life. Describe actions while doing. Speak softly when alone. This builds strong memory lines. Your voice trains your mind daily. This creates a natural speech habit. Your fluency improves without pressure. Self-talk makes thinking faster. Your brain learns English patterns naturally. Fifth step is shadow practice. Shadow means speak with audio. Play a short English clip. Speak at the same time. Match tone and rhythm slowly. Your voice follows natural sound. This helps you copy real accents. Your speech becomes more native-like. Shadowing connects sound and speech. Your tongue learns smooth movement. Shadow practice trains flow. You copy real English sounds. Your pronunciation improves fast. Your voice becomes more natural. This step is very powerful. Shadowing builds strong fluency rhythm. This builds speaking confidence. Your mouth moves more smoothly. Practice with calm and patience. Do not rush your speaking. Do these steps every day. Small daily practice is enough. Do not stress or rush anything. Learning takes regular time. Be calm and steady always. Consistency gives great results. Small effort creates big change. Daily habit is the real secret. Even 15 minutes is helpful. Every day, progress adds up. Confidence matters more here. Speak even with mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches something. Do not fear mistakes at all. Mistakes show real progress. Mistakes guide your improvement. Courage makes learning stronger. Confidence grows when you speak daily. Your voice is stronger than fear. You are growing every day. Your progress is happening inside. Your fluency is improving slowly. Your speech is becoming natural. Believe in your daily effort. Your journey is moving forward. Your practice is building skill. Keep going with a positive heart. Your improvement is real and steady. Trust the process you are following. Thank you for learning today. I hope this lesson helps you. Please like this video now. Comment your thoughts below. Subscribe to Smooth English Talks. Your support means a lot. Your encouragement inspires new lessons. We grow together on this journey. Your presence here motivates me. We learn and grow as one community. We learn and grow as one community. Keep practicing every single day. Stay confident in your journey. Keep speaking with a happy mind. English fluency is coming soon. See you again in the next lesson. Take care and stay positive. Your voice matters in this world. Keep shining through your effort. Your progress story is beautiful. I believe in your success.